Audible? Akanksha, am I audible?
Yes,
Good
yes,
evening,
you are
sir.
audible.
Neelmani, can hear me?
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Is everyone can view my screen? Everyone can view my screen? Akanksha, Neelmani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today is the third day. Last class, we were discussing about the difficulties of using software applications and what is cloud computing technology and types of services given by vendor companies like, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Yes or no? So these are the 3 points in the last class we discussed. And today I'm going to start with versions of Salesforce, environments of Salesforce, and editions of Salesforce. First, let me start with versions of Salesforce. Listen carefully and try to understand this. Every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions depending on seasons. That is winter version, summer version, and we have something called what? Spring version. Every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions depending on what? Seasons. Winter version, spring version, and summer version. Each version duration is 4 months. So 4 into 3, 12 months. The current version of Salesforce you people are learning is summer version, that is 24 version. What is this 24 represents? Year number. Understand everyone? Summer version, summer 24 you people are learning. So this is the version you people are learning now. What is 24 represents? Year number. Understand? Akanksha, Neelmani, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Did you understand versions meaning? Look at this. What is the version you people are learning now? Summer 24 for developers. Understand Akanksha and Neelmani? Good. Fine. Like that, every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions depending on seasons. That is winter version, summer version, and spring version. And what is the current version you people are learning? Summer version 24. Okay. So that is all about the versions of Salesforce. And first, let me discuss about the next topic, editions of Salesforce. Editions of Salesforce. See here. So before I discuss about editions, this is my number, guys. 888 411 and 455. Understand what I'm speaking? 888 411 and 455. This is my number. I taken this number from Airtel company 3 years ago. I'm a postpaid customer. Tell me, before I taken the connection from the Airtel company, first of all, I need to meet some Airtel executive. Yes or no? And this Airtel executive is explaining about the plans which are developed by Airtel company as per the customer's requirement. Yes or no? like, 149 rupees plan per month, 249 rupees plan per month, 349 rupees plan per month, 449 rupees plan per month. Like that, every year, Salesforce given different types of plans. Just like Airtel given different types of plans as per their customers' requirement. 149 rupees plan, 249, 349, 449. Suppose if I subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, if I subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, okay. Suppose if I make a call from Airtel to Airtel, it's a free call for me. It's not chargeable. If I make a call from Airtel to some other network, like Jio or maybe Vodafone Idea or BSNL, it could be chargeable. Yes or no? And every day I'll get 1 GB data, mobile data free. Okay. And also I will get unlimited SMS free. This kind of facilities I will get if I subscribe what? 449 rupees plan. Suppose some other customer subscribe 149 rupees plan per month. Will he get the same kind of facilities? No. Yes or no? So plan to plan, plan to plan, plan to plan. Facilities are going to change. Am I correct or not? The same way, Salesforce company also designed different types of plans, and these plans are technically called as what? Editions. So Salesforce company developed different types of editions, different types of plans as per our customers' requirement or usage. And those plans, those editions are divided into how many? 5. Salesforce given 5 types of editions, guys. How many, Akansha?
5.
5 editions. Essential edition, enterprise edition, professional edition, and what is the next one here? Developer edition. So total how many editions, guys? Come on, 5 editions. Out of 5 editions, first 4 editions are, guys, paid editions. And whereas the developer edition is a free edition. Understand all of you? Developer edition is what edition here? Free edition. First 4 editions are what? Paid editions. Am I clear, everyone in the class? Guys, actually, this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. Okay, Akanksha and Neelmani, I'll show you. Developer.force.com. What I typed in the URL? Developer.force.com. Press enter button. Click on drop down button. Click on browse trials. Sign up for the Salesforce Developer Edition. Click here and look at this. Sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition. A Salesforce Developer Platform environment. What is this? Come on. Free. So Developer Edition is a free edition or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Akansha?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, Developer Edition. This is the edition we are using in the classroom. And rest of the first 4 editions are paid editions. We have to pay and we need to buy the license from the Salesforce company. Understand everyone in the class? Hello.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Pricing
Yeah, sir.
and editions of Salesforce. Okay, like essential, starter, unlimited. your plans and pricing. This is pricing, editions and plans, where it is available. Look at this. Starter edition. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
So professional edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition. Among these editions, which one is expensive, more expensive here? Unlimited. How much cost you need to pay? $330 per user per month you need to pay. Understand everyone? And coming to enterprise edition, $165 per user per month. Professional edition, $80 per user per month. Starter suite, $25 per user per month. Understand? Hello?
Yes.
So can you hear me? Good, thank you. So these are all what? Paid editions. Developer edition is what here? Free edition. Is all of you understand editions of Salesforce? Neelmani and Akanksha? Regarding editions and versions, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask the questions, please.
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, no.
No,
From my side,
no.
no, sir.
The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is, come on, environments of Salesforce. Actually, there are two types of environments here. One is sandbox environment. And production environment. Sandbox environment and production environment. Sandbox environment means it is purely developer's environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client requirement. Understand everyone here? It is purely developer's environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client requirement. That environment we can call it as sandbox environment. We have four types of sandboxes. We have four types of sandboxes. One is developer sandbox. Second one, developer pro sandbox. partial copy sandbox, and full copy. Come on, sandbox. Total how many, Akanksha? 4. Developer sandbox, developer pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, and full copy sandbox. So regarding all these 3 sandboxes, I will discuss later. First, let me discuss about the full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox here? Full copy sandbox means it is, or it contains, this sandbox contains the replica. Replica means what? Duplicate copy of the original application. Duplicate copy of the original application we stored in where? Full copy sandbox. Why we need to place the duplicate copy of the original application? Because it is used for what purpose? Come on, testing purpose. Understand, Akanksha and Neelmani? It is used for what purpose? Testing purpose.
Testing.
So before I discuss about, you people know about SDLC. You know what is SDLC stands for?
Software development life cycle,
Yeah,
something.
exactly. Software development life cycle, SDLC, not SDLS. Okay. It contains actually 4 phases. In fact, one is, okay, designing. Second one, development. Third one, testing. Fourth one, understand everyone in the class? Hello. Designing, development,
Yes, sir.
and what? Deployment. These are the 4 phases. After development, we have to go for what? Testing. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
After development, we need to go for testing. What is testing here? Testing means it is a process of checking.
Okay, sir.
It is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the client's, come on, requirement, or everyone understand, guys? Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. This is called what here? Deployment. Am I clear, everyone in the class? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So testing, deployment, development, and designing. So testing purpose, we need to place a duplicate copy here. It is used for a testing purpose. After that, we have to go for deployment. So after sandbox environment, we have to go for what? The production environment. So production environment means I can see it is a client's environment. Whose environment here? It's a client's place where client and client's employees are sitting and using the application. Understand, everyone in the class? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Neelmani,
Yes, sir.
any doubts? Akanksha, understand?
Can you
Yes,
repeat
yes,
about the
understand.
sand process, sir?
What, Neelmani? I did not understand.
Sand process.
Sandbox.
Yeah, sandbox process.
Yeah. Sandbox means it's a developer's place where developers can sit
Okay.
and develop the application. That place we can call it a sandbox environment.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. After develop,
Yeah.
we need to go for testing. After testing, we need to go to deployment. So
Deployment.
production environment means it is a client's place where client and client's employees are sitting and using the application. But here I'm going to ask a simple question. What is my question is client and client employees knows how to use the application? Tell me. Is client and client employees knows how to use the application? They don't know
No.
application, right?
No.
Because they're not technical persons. That is why. Okay, to guide them, to monitor them. Okay, there is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. That person, we can call him as super user or system administrator. Understand? Hello. Super user
Yes.
or system administrator. System administrator is a person who is always sitting at the production place. Am I clear this point? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Suppose if you got a job as a system administrator in any company, before I proceed this point, let me discuss about the job profiles in Salesforce. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, there are two types of job profiles. One is administrator job. The other one is what? A developer job. Understand Akanksha and Neelmani? This is basic level.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Experience, need about 5 to 7 years experience in Salesforce side. Then you can go for either architect or you can go for Salesforce consultant. Come on. Okay. Or Salesforce business analyst. Read all of it. Salesforce architect, Salesforce consultant, Salesforce business analyst. Understand? But if you want to go for these three jobs, you should have minimum real-time experience as a developer, at least 5 years experience. Then only you can go for what? Either architect or Salesforce consultant. Am I clear this?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
But initially, either you can go for administration side or development side. Suppose if you got as as an administrator job in any company as Salesforce administrator, what is your job roles and responsibilities that I'm going to discuss now? Listen carefully, this point is very important. What are the roles and responsibilities of system admin? What are the roles and responsibilities of system admin? Okay, listen carefully and try to understand this. Clear all of you? Hello.
Mm-hmm.
First point, you have to create the user accounts. As Salesforce administrator, you need to create the roles. You have to create the profiles. You have to grant the privileges. What is the meaning of privilege? Privilege means
Permissions.
permissions,
Access permission.
access permissions. Grant the privileges to the users. Then revoke. Revoke means taking back the privileges from the users. And also he is going to perform data management operations. Data management operations means import operation and export operation. Understand everyone in the class? Import operation as well as what? Export operation. Import means moving the data. Import means moving the data from external resource to Salesforce Export means moving the data from Salesforce to external. Come on. Using some tools like, data import wizard and data loader. Using these tools, we can perform import and export operations. And the most important job, one more important job of system administrator is data automation. And we have something called what? Approvals. Automation means automatically perform some operations without user, interaction. Do you understand what I'm speaking? Hello? Automatically perform some operations without user interaction. For example, I deposit some amount in my account. Tell me, will I receive SMS in my mobile? Hello? Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Tell me, will I receive the SMS
Yes, sir.
if I deposit
Yes.
amount? Tell me,
Yeah.
who will send the SMS to my mobile? Is there any specific bank?
It is a bot SMS like chatbot kind of thing.
Yeah, that is what automatically without user interaction, right? Hello. You know about OTP, one-time password. Who will generate the OTP? Any person is going to generate the OTP manually? No. This kind of operations can be called as what? Guys, someone need to mute. I'm getting noise from your side. Excuse me. Thank you. So this kind of operations can be called as automations, guys. Okay. Yeah. To perform automations and approvals, Salesforce given some tools. That is, workflows. We have process builder. We have flow builder and approval process. Using these 4 tools, we can perform data automation and approvals. And the 8th one is data analysis. That is reports and what is this? Dashboard.
Sir,
9th
sir,
one. Yeah, Neelmani. Neelmani, can hear me?
Yeah, sir. Other person is telling something.
What coming in, please?
Some two other person want to say something to you, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me, Neelmani, what is your doubt?
No, sir, I have no doubt.
I think there is someone who joined in between, so he wanted to say something.
Yeah, Syed Rizvi, am I audible? I think you are the newcomer. Syed Rizvi. Syed, can you hear me? Syed, am I audible? Syed, am I audible? Okay, just leave it, no issues. Okay, I think Neelmani, you don't have doubts, right?
Yes.
Shall I continue the class? Aksha?
Yes, yes, please.
Fine, thank you. So data analysis, that is reports and dashboards. And the ninth one, the most important job of system administrator is data security. So security is very important aspect in database or system administrator job in real time. That is, org level security. Under org level security, we have app level security. Then after, we have something called tab level security, object level security, field level security, and record level security. Under record level security, we have something called OWD, that is organization wide, defaults. Organization wide defaults. Role hierarchies. Sharing rules. And manual sharing. So all this comes under what? Record level security. So data security, data analysis, data automation and approvals, data management, creating the roles, creating the profiles. These are all the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real-time environment. Understand Akanksha, Syed Rizvi, and Neilmani?
Yes.
Am I
Yeah,
clear this part?
yes,
Everyone in the class?
yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Next topic, what I'm going to discuss. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is, so theory parts completed, guys. Let me discuss about practical part. So before I'm discussing about the practical part of Salesforce, first let me discuss about, the basic vocabulary, what we are using in Salesforce. So before we all dive into Salesforce environment, before we all enter into Salesforce environment, everyone should know about some important words with respect to Salesforce. That is, first one is called app. Second one is called tab. Third one is called, S object. Fourth one is called field. Fifth one is called record. And the sixth one is called what? Data. Fifth one is record. Fifth one is data. Last one is what here? Record. So these are the 6 important words that you need to understand first. Understand everyone in the class? Can you hear me? Suraj Patil, you're all joined. Great day, man. Actually, see, your class timing is evening 7 o'clock. Now it is 7:40. Suraj Patil and Syed Rizvi. I don't know when did he join the class today. Suraj Patil, am I audible? Suraj, can hear me? Guys, don't waste my time. Please unmute and talk with me. No one responding. Unmute and talk with me, guys. Contact with whom? No one is responding last 3 days. Did he call to DURGASOFT management, Syed Rizvi? Please respond. You can type in the chat window. Suraj Patil, Syed Rizvi. I am Sai only. Syed Rizvi, am I audible? Myself is Sai. Are you all my old student? I am talking about Syed Rizvi. Please unmute and talk with me, no problem at all. Mr. Rizvi. Arey Baba. Okay, leave it. So these are the 6 important words that you need to understand before we enter into Salesforce environment. Okay, Akanksha? Hello? Yeah. So first let me discuss about app. App means what, guys?
Application.
Application. What is application? What is application? Application is a word, it is not related to software. It's a general word. Every day we are using this word regularly in our daily life. Suppose once you open your mobile, we can see a lot of apps. Yes or no, Akanksha?
Yes.
Okay. Like BookMyShow app. Okay. We have Zomato. So many apps we can see. Tell me, what is app? Any one of you?
A tool which is used for which we use in daily lives for our
Hmm.
productivity or something.
Yeah. Can I say in other way? Nothing but it contains some services or not?
Yes.
It contains some services. They give some service. Every application gives some service to us, yes or no? So group of services or collection of services can be called as, come on guys, application. Am I clear this point? Akanksha, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So it contains some services or group of services or collection of services can be called as what? An application. Good. In Salesforce, we have 2 types of applications. One is, standard application. And the second one is called here, come on, custom application. What is the first one? Standard application and custom application. Standard application means which is given by Salesforce. Standard application are those kind of applications which is given by Salesforce. It's a predefined applications. Those applications we can call it as what? Standard application. And custom application means which is created by developer. Which is created by whom here? Developer as per the, business need or business requirement. That is called what? Custom application. Understand everyone in the class? Hello?
Yes.
So let me give some examples of standard application. Let me give some examples about the standard application. Marketing, sales, service, content. These are all the examples of what? Standard applications. Custom application example. Custom application example. You can give any name. Suppose DURGASOFT solution. DURGASOFT solutions. Okay. Or some, XYG company. Any name you can give as per your requirement. Understand all of you? Come on. This kind of applications, we can call it as what? Custom applications. So standard application means which is given by Salesforce. It is already predefined one. It is a built-in one. Custom application means it is created by developer as per the business requirement or client requirement. Okay. Understand, Akanksha? Good.
Yes.
Coming to tab. What is the meaning of tab? See here. At present, this is which tab here?
WhatsApp.
This is what? Zoom application. This is YouTube. Yes or no? Come
Hmm.
on. This is a Salesforce application. This is also Salesforce application. This is also some other site here, Market Watch. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So different applications at a time are opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I drag the mouse point on the plus symbol, what is the message you got on the screen?
New tab will open.
New tab. If we click here, I can move from this particular Market Watch guides to some other page. Yes or no?
Hmm.
And I entered into Google page, right?
Hmm.
It means that if you click on tab, it connects to what? Some other page. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Connects to some other, come on, page. It connects to some other page can be called as what? A tab. Am I clear at this point? Everyone in the class?
Yes.
Yes or no? So in Salesforce, we have two types of tabs. Same, standard tab and custom tab. Akanksha, listen carefully. In the entire Salesforce, we have only two things. What is the first one? Standard and custom. Standard means something given by Salesforce is called standard. Something created by developer can be called as custom. That's it.
Hmm.
Point clear?
Yes.
Only standard, custom. Only two things are there. Standard means given by Salesforce. Custom is created by developer. That's it. Very simple. Standard tab, again, which is given by whom?
Salesforce.
Salesforce. Second one, custom tab. Come on, which is given by, so which is created by, come on, developer. Is this clear?
Yes.
Examples, let me give the examples also. That is, campaigns, leads, accounts, contact,
Con opportunity.
opportunities. These are all the examples of what? Standard tabs. Custom tabs means you can give any name, suppose students, courses, trainers, employees. These are all the examples of custom tabs. If you observe carefully, all the tab names are plural names, yes or no?
Hmm.
All tab names are plural names. Observe carefully here. Look at this: employees, students, courses, trainers. What are all these? Tabs. Let me open sales application. Look at this: home chatter, campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, forecasts, contracts, orders, cases, solutions, products. Akanksha, I hope you know about all these, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? These are all tabs. Every tab is plural name. Every tab is plural, right?
Hmm.
Good. So that is called what? Tabs, guys. These are all the standard tabs and these are the custom tabs. And coming to the next one here, S object. S object stands for Salesforce object. Akanksha, do you know any database? Either Oracle or SQL Server?
I've worked on SQL, but I forgot all those
No
things.
problem. We have database concepts. Okay, in database point of view, can you hear this name table?
Yeah.
What is table?
Table and the in SQL you are in database you are asking, right?
Yeah, database point of view, what is table means?
There, I think that these are the database objects which contain data.
I can say table means it is a place.
Organized in a row and column form.
Yeah, exactly. It is a place where we can store the information permanently in the form of rows and what? Come on.
Column.
Am I clear, all of you? What is this? It is a place where we can store the information permanently in the form of rows and columns. That is called what? A table. Understand? So database point of view, we can call it as a table. Salesforce point of view, we can call it as what? Come on.
Object.
S object. S object means Salesforce object. S object and table both are same. There is no difference. Okay. Again, in Salesforce, we have two types of, come on, S objects. What is the first one? You can easily guess the answer.
Standard and custom.
Good. What is standard S object? Which is given by?
Salesforce itself, and the customization, which we do as per the client requirement.
Obviously. Which is given by?
Which is predefined in the system.
Exactly. Custom S object means which is created by? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Mhm.
Look at this. I'm just copying all the standard tab names and here I pasted. And let me do some changes here. What I'm doing?
You're making it into a singular form.
Is a singular name, S or no? So the difference between tab and S object is all tab names are in plural format. All S object names are singular format. That's it. Hello. So we can access S object through tab only. If you want to access S object student, if you click on student tab, you can access what? Student S object. If I want to access course S object, I have to click on course tab so that course S object will open. If I want to interact with trained S object, if you want train S tab, so the trained S object will open. Point clear?
Yes.
So S objects we can access only through what? Tabs. Point clear? So field and the data. So tell me, before field, let me discuss about data first. What is data? What is data? Come on, what is data? Data means whatever we entered, come on, into the system is called what? Data. Yes, sir. Whatever we entered into the system is called what? Data. Correct or not? Understand, Akanksha?
Yes.
Whatever we entered into the system is called data. Generally, what we are entering? We are entering numbers.
Characters.
We are entering special alphabets. And also we are entering what?
Special characters.
Numbers are how many? 0 to 9. How many alphabets?
A to Z.
Special characters are how many? Plus, star, ampersand. These are all what? Special characters only. Okay. These are all special characters. Tell me, Akanksha, 0 to 9, how many numbers?
10.
Small a to small z and capital A to capital Z.
26.
26, 26. Total how many
20.
52. 52.
characters? Okay. Special characters are, you know, how many here? 194. If we add all the values, you will get total 256 characters. All these 256 characters can be called as data. All these 256 characters can be called as what? Come on.
Data.
Data can also be called as raw facts. Come on. Data can also be called as raw facts because data does not gives any. Does all of you understand why data can be called as raw facts? Because data does not gives any meaning. That is why it can be called as raw facts. For example, 105 something 535 I given. What is 10535? It's a numeric value, right? Can I say that is the student roll number in the college point of view? Yes, it could be. Can I say that employee ID from company point of view? It might be. Can I say that customer's bank account number from bank point of view? Yes. But no one knows what exactly this number represents. But this number is a combination of 5 different numbers. All these numbers are coming from these 10 numbers. And these 10 numbers can be called as what? Come on.
Data.
Data. So from this data, you're not getting any proper meaning. That is why data can be called as what? Raw facts. Understand everyone in the class? Hello.
Yes, yes.
What is Akanksha represents? The human name. Can I say that is student name in the college? Yes,
Yeah.
it could be. Employee name in the company? Yes.
Yes.
Customer name in the bank? Passenger
Yeah.
name in the flight? It
Yes.
could be anything, but no one knows what exactly Akanksha represents, right? But it is a combination of different alphabets. All these alphabets are coming from these 52 characters. This 52 characters can be called as
Data.
data. So from this data, you do not get any proper meaning. That is why data can be called as raw facts. Am I clear at this point?
Yes.
Yes or no? I given 90,000. What is this 90,000 represents? Again, it is a numeric value. So what is 90,000 represents? No one knows. So everything is a data here. But from this data, you do not get any proper meaning. That is the reason data can be called as what? Raw facts. Am I clear this, everyone?
Mm,
Akanksha, understand?
yes.
So to avoid this confusion, let me write something above on this. Look at this. 10535. What is this?
Employee ID.
What is Akanksha represents?
It's a
No.
What is 90,000 represents?
salary.
Cell.
Am I clear, everyone in the class?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Good. Now I'm getting the meaning for this data because of the above names. Correct or not? I'm
Right.
getting meaning for this data because of the above names. So above names gives the meaning for the below data. Above names gives the meaning for the below data, right?
Mm.
The above one is also data, in fact. EAD alphabets, that is also data. Yes or no? This data gives the meaning for the below data. That is why whenever data describes about another data, this can be called as, come on,
Data.
metadata. Whenever data describes about another data can be called as metadata. Understand? I can say this EAD, E-name, salary, date, this, all this represents what here? Come on,
Employee information.
field. This EAD is a field, E-name is a field, salary is a field. Field means what? Come on. It represents data. Understand everyone in the class? Hello.
Yes.
It represents data. What is data? Data means it is a value. It is a value which stores against the, come on.
Field.
And coming to the next one here, record. What is record? This horizontal line is called what?
Record.
Record means horizontal collection of data can be called as, come on,
Records.
record or row, both are same, okay?
Number of line items we have registered against each field.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Very good. That is correct answer. Good, Akanksha. Okay.
Thanks.
So these are all, these are the most important words that you need to understand before we enter into Salesforce. That is what? App, tab, S-object, field, data, and what? Come on.
Record.
Record. So am I clear all these points, everyone?
Yes.
Good. So next class, I will show you how to create all these. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Next class, I will show you how to create all these, how to create custom app, how to create the custom tab, how to create the object, how to create the fields. All these things we'll discuss on, Monday class.
So that will be on practical basis.
Yeah, practical, obviously practical. Theory point completed.
So I'm using, like, I have already registered on the Salesforce and I have a free trial version there.
Oh, you created the account in the Salesforce developer
Al-
edition? Huh?
Yeah, I've already created an account there.
Then no problem. Then you can practice. I will show you on Monday how to create all these things.
Okay.
Will you come tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Yeah, because tomorrow I want to take the class for you.
Yeah, no problem.
What time? Because I have the session morning around 8 to 11.
Mm-hmm.
So will you come down at 11 o'clock?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, same link. Come down at 11 o'clock. I will show you. And what about this guy? What's your name? Nilmani, can you hear me? Nilmani? Why these guys are not speaking with me? I don't know. Nilmani, am I audible? Some people are, okay, connecting, disconnecting very frequently in the middle of the class. But anyway, Akanksha, understand the session?
Yeah.
So how you feel about the sessions? Understand the session or not?
Yeah, I understood. I'm already aware of these points because I'm already working on CRM. So yeah. I also do these things, whatever you said, like create an account, give
Yeah.
the access permission, revoke the permissions,
Yes,
manage
yes.
the
These are all
database.
yeah, these are all admin jobs.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow's session, if you come down at 11 o'clock, okay, 11 to 12, I will take the class.
Okay.
And I will show you practically how to create all these things.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow again, I will discuss about how to create the account in Salesforce Developer Edition. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a
Come
nice.
anytime at 11 o'clock. Thank you.
Yeah.